You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Top word is pronounced beak. This is what birds have on their faces, a beak, alright? They used to eat, it's a bird's mouth if you want, beak. The bottom word is also pronounced beek, and that's a verb when you're warming yourself or you're warming something on a fireplace, beek. So those two words have the same pronunciation. Beak. How to pronounce in English? Beak. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.